Hey, what's up guys? Sean Johnson here. I want to do this quick testimonial for the Global Profit Network. Now, I got started in Global Profit Network and started promoting it like on the 6th. And as you can see here on my screen, on the 6th I made $447. And I didn't do a whole lot of work. I basically sent out a couple of emails and that's pretty much it. And then on the 7th, I made $62.50. So within 2 days, I made $509.50 from the Global Profit Network. So this system actually works. People are making money. If you join, you'll see in our Facebook group, people other than me are making money as well. And it's a simple affiliate program that the average person can do to make money from home. So real quick, let me just give you a peek of the back office. So this is the back office, and here it's a traffic booster where you can get more traffic to your offers, which that's basically what a lot of our members are doing. We're leveraging the done for you system to get traffic to this offer, and it's equating to sales, 149 bucks per a pop. Here you click on the affiliate page where you get your link to market it. Here's a Facebook group where you get other training and meet other members just like yourself who are having success in the system. And here we got a quick get started, and we got Traffic Trader Day 1 through 3 that kind of breaks down affiliate marketing, how to make money online, the tools that you need, and how you can leverage the tools to build any program, or how you can leverage those tools to build this program right here. So again, I'm loving the Global Profit Network. Simple system, easy. $509.50 within 2 days. If you're looking at this video, go ahead and get started. Click on the link below in this video or click on the Get Started button now, and I'll see you on the inside.